Meet the first helmet designed by former SpaceX engineers in a super collapsible form factor.
The helmet implements next generation materials
And looks like a baseball hat.
My sister was riding her bike through the intersection of Park and Diamond when she was hit by a car. She spent the next 4 months in a coma.
As two engineers, we knew that if we put our heads together, we could do something about this problem. Helmets aren't worn because they're uncomfortable and inconvenient. People don't want to carry around huge chunks of foam.
It became more important now than ever to have a helmet that's comfortable, attractive, portable, and safe.
To make sure the helmet is as safe as possible, we've done thousands of impact tests in our lab.
And not only does our helmet meet all of the federal regulations, it surpasses them. Bike share programs are growing at over 25% year over year.
More Americans are taking a bike to work than they ever have before.
There's millions of people out there that need a product like ours. The portability of being able to roll up the helmet allows you to easily carry it with you.
And best of all, provide the same or better protection as any traditional helmet. There's a really broad future for Park and Diamond. The styles and options are limitless.
We're positioned to protect as many people as possible.
I'm Jordan Klein, CEO and co-founder of Park and Diamond, and we're creating a product that's potentially going to revolutionize people's lives and keep them safe when they're commuting. We're seeing tons and tons of these bicycle-related accidents, right, where people aren't wearing helmets, and a lot of the traditional entrants in the market aren't really addressing the key underlying pain points that prevent people from wearing a helmet. And it's something that we've gone out and actually tried to solve, where we're solving three major pain points: comfort, convenience, and aesthetics. We're really kind of the first ones to put all these three things together into a really stylish, collapsible, and super safe product. On average, there are over 85,000 traumatic brain injuries as a result of cycling crashes in the US alone. In New York City, for example, over 97% of the cycling-related fatalities occur when somebody's not wearing a helmet. People actually hate normal helmets so much, they just won't get on a bike. So what we're really interested in is the 92% of people who don't currently own a helmet or wear it regularly. These are people who really care about something that's comfortable, something that's aesthetically appealing, and something, most importantly, that they can take with them everywhere they go that doesn't intrude into their lifestyle. One of the really positive effects when people use alternative last mile transportation, such as biking or scootering to work, is they reduce the burden on other polluting sources of transportation. And it's something that actually takes up a lot less space, allows our cities to have more greenways, and just in general increases the quality of life in cities, which is super important to us.